Finding the right design software can be a complete overwhelming experience, especially when you're trying to launch a new business quickly and make it look professional. And that's why today we'll be ranking the 6 design platforms available, starting right at the top with the ultimate AI ecosystem that turns your ideas into a commercially safe reality without any design skills required. Let's get into it. At the top, we have design.com. This is an advanced AI tool that really allows you to design any type of business and keep the style of your brand. So, if that's business cards, logos, social media, websites, all AI, it does it completely without any hiccups. It is a powerhouse of a tool. Let me show you one example. So I just put in cool kids. I did a logo and toys for kids, and it just spit out all of these different logos completely for free. I mean, these are pretty sweet. They have images of clothes, they have kids playing with toys, they have over 14,000 with a cool name, and that you can actually do right now. Give it a go. I dare you to try it out. Design by far is my favorite. I mean, it is bar none the best at creating social media posts, with designing websites, with keeping all your brand within exactly that you want, not going, it's not like those other brand companies that kind of just take your color scheme and then it slowly drifts into oblivion. This one is by far the best at keeping on point. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use design.com. I mean, I showed you the cool kids, but I wanna show you how fast it is and why it's number one and highest ranked platform, because it really delivers professional real world outcomes. So I put in business bros instead of cool kids, small business, and we're just gonna go, and just like that, it is literally like there was no hesitation. That's how quickly it can generate thousands, 14,000 different logos. And you can do that with, like I said, with business cards, social media posts, from Facebook to LinkedIn to YouTube to Instagram to TikTok to WhatsApp to SoundCloud. You can get your own website. All of it is right here. Let's get into number 2. All right, so we're going to do that same test. We have Business Bros again. We're going to go ahead and start it. And right up, I mean, these are kind of basic. I mean, they don't pop like the other ones have did, and they only have 9,000 versus 14,000. Feel like the other ones definitely did pop, but you can do some changes to the logo based off of filters. A little mascot here. See, this is a little bit better, but obviously not the same style. But I mean, they are pretty good. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, they're not terrible. I don't know why you would have a whale here versus bros. Obviously, it's kind of in the name. Get it to the level that I was hoping for, but like this would be good. This is good. This is good. But yeah, I find that they do have kind of more generic ones, and they don't offer as much. So they do have the business cards, the social media, and the website, but they don't have the AI and a lot of the other things that comes with other platforms. So this is Wix Logo Maker, and they're well known for their websites. They're kind of rigid and kind of janky, I would say, but I don't even think you can. Here, let's say create a logo, and then you have to sign in. So not even anything to kind of demonstrate right off the bat, like to see if it's even good. You have to give them your email, which I don't like, and it just they make it a much harder process to actually create a logo based off of having to add a lot more to it. So they do have their Wixel. So if we do Business Bros and create a logo, you still have to log on to do that, which is kind of a headache to me. But they do, like I said, have the option to create your own logo. It's just very rigid and not as, I would say, creative as some of the other sites we have seen. This is a very, very popular one. This is Canva, and it has so many different types of social media posts. It makes it so easy to use, but a lot of them are, I would say, kind of run in the mill. Like you've seen them already all over social media. We're like, oh yeah, I've seen that before. That's just a Canva post essentially. So you can do a lot with it. I mean, you can change the the look and the feel. You have to really design it yourself. They do have templates, obviously, and I believe they now have AI. So let's do Business Bros again, and you can see that it really doesn't give you what you want. Yeah, I mean, it comes out with Bros, but then there's no really AI attached to that. Um, and I feel like it's all very templated, and you have to spend a lot of money to get, I believe, the AI functionality from it. They do have tools like certain apps for photos, uploads, and tools to kind of edit it, but it is very basic. They are coming out with the AI version tools that they do have, but I find it to be not very helpful like the first two. I definitely find design.com being the most innovative in AI, but Canva is a definitely has some blaring red holes. I mean, they are very popular for social media, but they definitely have a massive weakness when it comes to original exclusive logo design. So definitely buyer beware. Oh, Vistaprint. Vistaprint is an oldie but a goodie. I remember getting my first business cards from Vistaprint. As you can see, their header is mostly of physical products, custom apparel that puts your brand front and center. They are a physical product first versus a digital product. So if you are looking for swag or merch, then Vistaprint is probably your choice. But if you want more of a website design that is brand forward and really is looking to make your brand stand out, then you might want to check one of our first reviews that we did on this. But even if we go to, say, our logos and design here, AI logo maker, we put in our business bros. And even then, I mean, they want to have you walk you through a bunch of steps before you can even see the first few images. Get a total of 64 free logo generations, start with 4. So you do need to sign up versus 14,000 right off the bat with no sign up. So definitely a big difference between the two. So if you are looking for swag or merch, then Vistaprint might be for you. But if you're looking for on-brand company website or logo or business cards or social media posts that stay within your branding look and feel and professionalism, then you might want to check out design. All right, to round out our top 6, Adobe, the industry standard professional with their Adobe tools, a definitely a steep learning curve, really lacks automation and really has a high cost for business owners, but it definitely is a way to have a professional do your work if you know how to use it. It is a it's not quick or easy to learn, and is definitely not automated. It's not a AI automated business. So if you're wanting to really use their tools and kind of take it the old school way, then Adobe might be for you. But if you're looking to really take your business to the next level, you might want to branch out to these new AI tools. I mean, I know that Photoshop is being integrated into a lot of AI tools. Same with Adobe Pro. So why wouldn't you want to use AI already that is using AI? So I don't know. I just find that the plan is expensive. It's really not for it's 69.99 or it's 34.99 now. But I remember some of these photoshops were like hundreds of dollars it's still $100 a year. Here we go, $99 a month, $110 a month for a creative studio, and that's kind of steep for some business owners. So definitely something to be mindful. But I definitely do like the ability to create my own logos very, very quickly. But I feel like Adobe is kind of a thing of the past. And if you're a design studio, most people are using AI versus and combining it with some of these tools with an MCP. But I definitely think that you're better off using a tool that isn't as complex or that doesn't have a steep learning curve. So if you're ready to skip the steep learning curves with static templates and really anything that is kind of old school, definitely check out the link in the description and try design.com today and automatically launch your business and your vision with the number one AI design platform, design.com, where you can get all your websites, social media, and logos done quickly and professionally.